Winter. It's an unpredictable season of extreme weather events. To keep your infrastructure safe, Larue builds state-of-the-art snow removal equipment, allowing you to accomplish your job to perfection. At Larue, snow runs through our veins. Founded in 1973, our family business, now run by the second generation, is committed more than ever to offer innovative products that surpass the highest quality industry standards. Our offer? The widest range of loader-mounted and self-propelled snowblowers, all adapted to your specific needs and conditions you operate in. At our modern factory of over 100,000 square feet, we meticulously follow through every single stage of production with precision and craftsmanship. With a team spirit and passion like no other, we've built an international reputation that is second to none. Our vast parts inventory is always on standby to serve our customers rapidly whenever needed. And you can count on our parts and service team to assist you with any technical questions you may have. Our integrated approach means that every production step is taken care of in-house, from designing to engineering, welding to painting, assembly to quality assurance. We are uncompromising when it comes to ensuring that the product delivered is nothing less than superior in every way. Our team of engineers uses 3D modeling to guarantee impeccable consistency in the design of every one of our products. You will find our T-Series self-propelled snowblowers being used at airports, urban areas, and mountain roads. Customizable and designed for the operator's comfort, all of our equipment is fully tuned to maximize uptime and reduce operating costs. Our dual-engine large-capacity snowblowers are primarily built for high-speed airport snow removal. Accessories can be changed as needed, depending on the task to be accomplished on the runway. With 11 loader-mounted snowblower models, there is no doubt that Larue has the right product for your operations. Our two-stage snowblowers equipped with a ribbon or 2 augers are highly efficient when it comes to rural and municipal snow removal. As for single-stage snowblowers, they are specifically designed to handle massive quantities in snow dump sites. At Larue, everything is verified, reviewed, improved through test drives, simulations, and water basin tests to optimize the performance of each of our models, which means our name doesn't go on our products until they meet our requirements and are ready to face winter head-on. Larue products are distributed in a dozen countries with more than 20 dealers and 60 service centers, making it easy to find replacement parts throughout the year. The millions of tons of snow removed by our products every single year are solid proof of their dependability, no matter the conditions. No 2 winters are the same, which is why we never stop innovating and never stop moving forward. Storm through with Larue.